Welcome to RANsquawk's EU morning briefing for Monday the 15th of March 2010. In terms of much of the coverage over the weekend, that was very much dominated again by the Greece situation. The latest coming out from various news wires was that the EU was getting very close to initiating a new deal or fund potentially for Greece. However, we did see on Sunday late in the day both the Finance Minister in France, Lagarde, as well as the German Finance Minister, both came out saying that there wouldn't be any such announcements to come at the Eco-Finance Minister meetings regarding Greece that are taking place both today and tomorrow. We haven't seen anything new as yet since then, and at the moment in terms of the spreads, the 10-year Greek Bund spread has tightened slightly around 3 to 4 basis points, currently around 302 at the moment this morning. In terms of elsewhere, the FTSE CAC and DAX, they're trading pretty much unchanged in minor negative territory. Not too much activity overall though. And in terms of some other weekend news of note which could get more attention when the US come in, that could well be in regards to China. Quite a few comments from their Premier Wen Jiabao from the weekend. He noted that China is still concerned about the value of its dollar-denominated assets. Wen said that he wants the US to assure Treasury buyers through action that China wants to diversify investments of reserves. So we'll be keeping an eye on both the T-notes and the US dollar when they come into the market a bit later on. In terms of other news flow as well from this morning, being released just a few hours ago was the latest report out of Moody's Investor Services. They said that the credit ratings of the world's 4 largest AAA sovereign debt issuers, that being the US, the UK, France and Germany, as well as Spain, are safe, but risks to their blue chip status have grown. That was according to Moody's. In terms of looking ahead for today's session, it's relatively quiet in terms of the Eurozone. We're just looking out for the latest in the employment rate. That's due at 10 o'clock London time. Also of note, the clocks of course have changed for our US listeners, so the difference now between London and US just 4 hours with New York. In terms of the actual US calendar, it is a pretty busy day. We'll have the latest in the Empire manufacturing. We'll also be looking out for the latest TICS data, industrial production, and on the housing front we'll have the latest in the NAHB housing market index.